Successful leadership relies on more than just strategy. It requires a deep understanding of how people think and feel at work. The SCARF model offers a powerful framework for leaders to create more inclusive, productive, and motivating environments. The SCARF model, developed by neuroscientist David Rock, identifies 5 domains that influence our behavior in social situations: status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, and fairness. Each element can trigger either a threat or reward response in the brain, impacting motivation and performance. Leaders who understand these drivers can better support their teams and foster a positive workplace culture.
Let's explore each SCARF domain. Status refers to our sense of importance relative to others. Certainty is the need for clarity and predictability. Autonomy involves the level of control we feel over our decisions. Relatedness is about feeling safe and connected with others. Finally, fairness relates to the perception of fair exchanges and equal treatment. Leaders can use this model to minimize threats and maximize rewards by communicating clearly, providing choices, recognizing achievements, building relationships, and ensuring transparency. Understanding the SCARF model empowers leaders to motivate teams, improve collaboration, and create a positive work environment. By focusing on these 5 domains, leaders can drive engagement and performance across their organizations.